So this is my app, and well, not my app. It's not. It's a web application. Yeah. But anyways, this is my second project. I really have a thing for photographers, and I have a thing for minimalist look. Very light and easy on the eye, and I also love opacity, as some of you might know. But my project is about Sam's photography. Sam is a made-up photographer, so don't look for him. But he's apparently very hot. But here it goes. So I just wanted to really meet up the requirement of the project, which is to be able to make requests to an API and be able to manipulate the data that I get in return. So right now you can book services. You can book Sam's services. You can check out the categories that he has, and you can also just explore his pictures. So if I click on Enter Site, that takes me to categories page that I have liked series, I have engagement shoots, I have baby shower categories, the weddings categories, birthdays, portraits, and if I click on weddings, it takes me to the weddings page. And these are images that I'm getting from making an API GET request to Unsplash. Unsplash is super amazing. I tried to do a little bit of styling, that on hover, so that decides to not function properly right now. On hover, it kind of changes size, and you get to see it and stuff, which is, I think, is pretty dope. If I click on go back, I go back to categories, and for now, I have only weddings working. If I click on book services, I have the form service request open up, and you can put in whatever information you want to put in, and and be great. 755555577, and down here you can pick whatever service you want him to provide for you: weddings, engagement, baby showers, portraits, birthdays, and things like that. And the date, you can pick a start date and an end date. You know how most photographers like, if you want them to book them for a wedding, especially if you're an African person rather, like our weddings are typically 3 to 5 days. So you need your photographer for 3 days. So you can pick a start and end date. And on submit, it goes back to categories page. Not so much of complicated code, just 4 components, and the majority of it that I'm doing is mapping. So the categories cover page that you see on the categories page, with the different categories. I'm saying categories a lot, but those are pictures that I got by making an API GET request to my personal Unsplash collection. I had to create a collection of images that 6 different types of pictures, one for that each matches the categories I'm trying to represent, right? Birthdays, weddings, and stuff. So there's Unsplash gives you lets you access a user's collection if you do know how to manipulate the API and stuff like that. But that's that about my project. I hope I'm very excited about it, and I'm excited to keep working on it. Thank you, guys.